How to buy Grokoro token. Now before I start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any product that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 5 hours ago and increased by 900% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 2 in the base section. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address. Now open your wallet. I will use the Bitget wallet for that. Now go to your wallet and select the business on network. Now click on this plus icon, paste the token that's in the search bar. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that just added called Grokoro. So after you find it, what you need to do, click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here. From the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now as you can see, no corresponding liquidity pool, so I will try to buy it using the Uniswap. Now go and open the Uniswap website, as you can see. Now wait a few seconds, just click on the website to be able to buy this token. Now just disconnect my wallet to show you how to connect it from the first. So as you can see, after you click on connect, select your wallet from here. I will use the MetaMask. Now click on connect here and you will be able to connect your wallet to Uniswap. Now if you don't see your token here, now go back to this token page on the screener. Now copy the token address from here. Now go back, click on select tokens, select the base as a network from here. Now paste the token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now click on don't show me this and click on continue. And now from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, as you can see, USDC, and here you can type how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is how much you'll be able to receive that token. After you click on swap here, the window will be appear here from your wallet to be able to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Grokoro token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.